Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Budgeting 101 for young adults. Stop living paycheck to paycheck. Welcome back to Money Loop. Today, we're exploring the essential steps to budgeting effectively. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your financial situation or worried about making it to the next payday, don't stress. You're not alone, and the good news is that budgeting can change everything. First up, we're going to discuss understanding your net income. This is the foundation of your budget. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to stabilize your finances, pinpointing how much money you actually take home after taxes is crucial for planning your expenses. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Understanding your net income is where it all begins. Picture this. You look at your bank account each month, wondering why the balance seems to dwindle more quickly than expected. Identifying the specific amount of money you bring home after taxes enables you to allocate your funds wisely. Gather your recent paychecks, side hustle income, and any other recurring earnings to calculate that all-important figure. For example, let's say you take home $2,800 a month. This is your starting point for creating a successful budget that will ultimately lead to financial peace of mind. Budgeting is an incredible tool that puts you in control of your financial life. Now that you've established your net income, it's time to tackle your expenses. Making a clear list of what you spend can feel like peeling back the layers of an onion. You might be shocked to see just how those daily coffee runs and impulse purchases add up over time. Don't just estimate. Go through your bank statements from the last few months and categorize your expenses into fixed and variable. Doing this allows you to pinpoint areas where you might be overspending and offers insight into how to adjust your spending habits effectively. By understanding your financial habits, you lay the groundwork for stronger budgeting decisions ahead. So grab that calculator, some statements, and let's unearth where your money is really going. Next, it's crucial to adopt a budgeting method that resonates with your lifestyle. Choosing the right approach can simplify the process and help you stay accountable. For instance, the popular 50-30-20 method suggests allocating 50% of your income to needs like housing and utilities, 30% to wants such as entertainment and dining, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. This balanced approach seamlessly integrates your essential expenses with pleasure, ensuring you enjoy life while still prioritizing your financial future. Alternatively, the zero-based budget could resonate better if you thrive on control, where every dollar has a designated purpose, and you proactively assign each dollar until your income minus expenses equals zero. Overall, finding the best fit for how you manage your money sets the stage for long-term success. To ensure you're truly benefiting from your budget, it's important to prioritize essentials and trim the waste. Start by focusing on necessary expenses such as your rent, utilities, groceries, and insurance. These are indispensable and should be your first concern when allocating funds. Once you've secured these basics, it's time to reevaluate your discretionary spending, where most of us tend to overspend. Daily habits, like frequent coffee runs or ordering takeout, can significantly impact your budget. Aim to identify the areas that could be reduced without sacrificing too much of your lifestyle. For instance, consider limiting eating out and cutting back on subscription services to find significant savings. This simple adjustment can lead to substantial money left over at the end of the year, potentially freeing up cash for savings, investments, or even a well-deserved vacation. Next, let's talk about budget leaks, those sneaky little expenses that can undermine your hard work. Identifying these leaks is essential for keeping control of your finances. You may not realize how small, recurring payments can accumulate into significant amounts over time. Look for areas like auto-renewing subscriptions you forgot about or bank fees that seem minor but add up quickly. Even small adjustments like reducing impulse buying or avoiding unnecessary app purchases can make a substantial difference. By actively monitoring these budget leaks, you can plug the holes in your financial plan and prevent money from disappearing without your notice. Additionally, using budgeting apps can help highlight these expenses, offering clarity and control so that every dollar works for you. Now that you're in a better position to manage your expenses and identify leaks, it's time to separate your spending from your savings. This separation is pivotal for successful budgeting because mixing the two can lead to confusion and overspending. Open distinct bank accounts to categorize your finances. Use one for your daily expenses, like bills and groceries, and another for savings, focusing on short-term goals such as an emergency fund or future purchases. If you're interested in investing, create yet another account designated for that purpose, allowing you to build long-term wealth without the temptation of dipping into your other funds. Automate transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts the moment you receive your paycheck. For example, set aside $50 for savings and $100 towards investments right off the bat. This strategy ensures that you pay yourself first, creating a more sustainable financial future while enabling you to have guilt-free spending from the remaining balance. With this structured approach, you'll avoid the all-too-common pitfall of waiting to see what's left over at the end of the month, as it's likely to be very little if anything at all. To bring joy into your budgeting journey, it's crucial to budget for fun expenses too. Remember, a budget isn't just about restriction. It's a plan that allows you to allocate funds for life's pleasures, like attending concerts, planning trips, or enjoying date nights. As you outline your financial goals, ensure there's room for personal enjoyment and hobbies in your spending plan. By making your budget flexible enough to incorporate these elements, you foster a balanced approach that celebrates both responsibility and enjoyment, enabling guilt-free spending that feels rewarding. Budgeting this way empowers you to make intentional choices that enhance your quality of life while still securing your financial future. Another critical component to consider in your budgeting process is the idea of sinking funds. These funds are specifically set aside for large, anticipated expenses, allowing you to save gradually over time without the stress of sudden financial strain. For instance, if you know that a significant car repair or holiday gift is on the horizon, set aside a small amount each month dedicated to that expense. By breaking it down into manageable chunks, you circumvent the need for credit cards or last-minute scrambles for cash. This proactive approach not only helps reduce your financial anxiety but also gives you peace of mind knowing that you are adequately prepared for future costs. Reassess these funds regularly to ensure you are on track and adjust your contributions as needed, making sure you stay ahead of your financial responsibilities. Finally, as you continue your budgeting journey, remember that reviewing and adjusting your plan monthly is vital to your success. Your financial situation and spending habits may shift over time, making it essential to stay adaptable. Take some time at the end of each month to evaluate your previous spending, analyze the effectiveness of your budget, and make necessary adjustments. If you've overspent in certain categories, fine-tune your budget to better reflect your lifestyle and goals moving forward. Adopting this habit not only ensures you're living within your means but also cultivates a proactive mindset around your finances, empowering you to achieve financial freedom with intentionality. As you now shift your perspective on budgeting, it's crucial to recognize that this isn't merely about tracking numbers. It's a commitment to improving your financial well-being. Embrace the idea that budgeting represents your intentions and aspirations, not restrictions. Remember, budgeting can be a tool for abundance and responsibility. The freedom that comes from effectively managing your finances opens doors to opportunities, adventures, and peace of mind that you might have never thought possible. Budgeting, when done right, is truly the gateway to a brighter financial future. Budgeting isn't a punishment, it's a pathway to freedom. Embrace your financial journey, and remember, every small step counts towards achieving lasting stability. So, as we conclude this budgeting journey, remember that it's not just about numbers or restrictions. It's about creating a life filled with choices and experiences that reflect your values. By mastering your budget, you pave the way to financial freedom and endless opportunities. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.